Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install TYPO3 CMS on Ubuntu 24.04. TYPO3 is an open-source content management system written in PHP and supports databases such as MySQL or MariaDB and PostgreSQL. In this section, you'll install dependencies for TYPO3, which include the LAMP stack, Composer as a PHP dependency management tool, and Graphics Magic for image processing. When the installation is complete, verify the status of both Apache and MariaDB services, and then check the PHP, Composer, and Graphics Magic versions. To install TYPO3, you must change the default PHP configuration file. You need to edit the file for both Apache and the PHP CLI, then change some default configurations for the TYPO3 installation. Now, run the following command to restart the Apache service and apply your changes to PHP. After that, run the following command to create a new info file in the following directory. Now, visit the following URL using your preferred web browser. You will see details of your PHP configurations. Make sure everything that you've configured is applied. Now that you've configured PHP, you need to secure the MariaDB server. You will be prompted to configure the MariaDB server. Enter Y to accept the default setting, or N to reject it. After you've configured the MariaDB server, log in to MariaDB with the following command. Input your MariaDB root password when prompted. Now, run the following queries to create a new database and a new user. Change the database information as you need. Next, run the following query to check privileges for the user you created. After that, type quit to exit from the MariaDB server. First, run the following command to create new directories for Composer cache and configuration, and the TYPO3 installation directory. Now, run the following command to change the ownership of the above directories to the user www data, and then enable read and write access to the TYPO3 installation directory. Next, go to the TYPO3 installation directory and install TYPO3 CMS with the following command. You can see the TYPO3 CMS download and installation process. To configure a TYPO3 CMS installation via command, run the following command. You will be prompted for the following configurations. If your installation is successful, you will see the output "Congratulations, TYPO3 setup is done." Now that you've configured TYPO3 from the terminal, let's move on to configure the Apache virtual host for your TYPO3 installation. So make sure that you've prepared your domain name. First, activate the Apache rewrite module with the following command. Next, create a new virtual host file. Then, insert the following configuration and make sure to change the server name option to your TYPO3 CMS domain name. Now, run the following command to activate the virtual host file and verify your Apache syntax. The output syntax OK will be displayed if you have proper Apache syntax. After that, restart the Apache service with the following command to apply your TYPO3 CMS virtual host. When executed, your TYPO3 CMS installation will be ready. In this section, you'll secure TYPO3 CMS with HTTPS using certbot and Let's Encrypt. Install certbot and the certbot Apache plugin with the following command. After the installation, run the following command to generate SSL/TLS certificates for your TYPO3 CMS domain name. So make sure to change the domain name and email address with your information. When the process is finished, your TYPO3 CMS will be secured with HTTPS automatically. Now, visit the TYPO3 CMS login page at the following URL using your preferred web browser. If your installation is successful, you should get the TYPO3 CMS login page. Input your admin user and password, then click Login to confirm. After logging in, you will see the TYPO3 CMS administration dashboard. Congratulations! You have installed TYPO3 CMS on the Ubuntu 24.04 server.